In North America, approximately 5 to 7 billion ton-miles of freight move by rail each day, with approximately 2 trillion ton-miles moved by freight railroads in the U.S. and North America each year. Daily tonnage averages are the equivalent of moving the weight of 1,200 trains, each with 10,000 tons of cargo, for 500 miles in a single day. A ton-mile is a unit of measure for freight transportation that accounts for both the weight of the cargo and the distance it travels. For example, moving 1 ton of freight for 100 miles is 100 ton-miles. Rail transport is one of the most cost-effective and environmentally friendly methods for moving freight over land. Railroads are highly efficient, particularly for transporting bulk commodities such as grain, coal, chemicals, and crude oil over long distances. Shifting freight from trucks to rail significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions. A single train can move a ton of freight about 500 miles on 1 gallon of fuel, a feat unmatched by trucks due to the lower friction of steel wheels on steel rails compared to rubber tires on asphalt. What do you think? Drop us a note or a story in the comments.